in this video, we are going to go through one indicator, TUX EMA Scalper. So basically today we are going to learn about this indicator. So before we start, let me show you something. So for this, as a disclaimer, this tutorial is for educational purpose only and does not have any constitute financial advice. And next, so basically in this tutorial, later we will define the indicator in this video, and also we will try out 3 points in the graph to test out the indicator. And in this indicator, it will be including EMA. So basically EMA stands for exponential moving average. The moving average will be in exponential EMA, and it will weight the most recent price more than the less recent price. Means that the EMA will be more specified to the current price average, moving average. So basically that's a short briefing for this tutorial. So let's start. First of all, you can open your indicator in the indicators tab, and you can search for TUX EMA. So basically you can just press for the indicator by TUX, thanks to the author. So after you open, it will show out the indicator in your relevant graph. And if you want to adjust for the indicator, you can just go to setting, and you can adjust for the length for the moving average. So basically if you have a shorter length, the moving average will be more sensitive. So basically now we will stick to 20 EMA. So and you also can adjust for the others, such as the color or even the label in the graph. So basically we'll go through the definition. You can check the definition of this indicator by pressing this dot, and you can go to about this script. It will show you the definition of this indicator. So for this indicator, basically it uses 20 EMA as the reference to script this indicator. So basically if it crosses 20 EMA and it is an uptrend, it will be a buy signal. While it crosses 20 EMA and it is in a downtrend, it will be a sell signal. Basically it shows two lines, important lines, red and green. If it touches this line, it will show a support at this line. While it touches the upper line, it will show a resistance at the line. So basically, as you can see, red line is the highest close of the previous 8 bars. So basically it will form a resistance, while the green line is the lower close of 8 previous bar, and it will show the support. Basically if it touches and it go upwards, it will form a more uptrend, while if it going downwards, it break the support, it will go downwards. So basically you can take note of the definition. So let us make so basically this is the definition. 20 EMA, it will show the uptrend buy signal, and if it's going down, it will show a sell signal. Red line show resistance and green line show support. So let's start. So basically go back to your graph, and we can have so basically red line is equal to resistance, while the bottom green line will show the support. So basically that's the definition. So we can okay. So we'll take 3 points for our example. So basically this is, sorry, this point 1, point 1, so this is point 2 as it shows signal, and this is point 3. So we will take the nearest 3 points for our case study. So as you can see, the red line shows resistance. It touches the red line, so basically it will form a strong resistance, at this area. And for the bottom line, the green line, as you can see, when the closing or when the bottom candlestick shows the touch at the green line, it shows a support to the next candlestick, this green candlestick, and it touches at the upper resistance of the line. And the third point also, it will at the average of the line. So basically this EMA signal can have a reference onto your graph. You can plan your trade based on this support resistance. For example, if at this area, let me draw. So for example, at this area, we have no graph first. For example, this area, if you want to make a trade and the continuous graph haven't formed, means that this is the reason. You can plan your trade first. So it touches here, you can set your cut loss to here, this area. So basically the cut loss will be at this area, the graph support, and for the upside you can set to the nearest this area. So basically when the risk reward ratio is more than 1, 2.22, means that your trade will be more rewarding compared to your risk, and you can plan your position based on this risk reward ratio. But you need to make sure that the reward will be more than risk. Even though you are shorting, means that your risk reward must be more than 1, so that your trade will be more successful and you can have a more profit gain in your trade. So yeah, basically that's all how you can use this TUX EMA scalper as a reference tool in your trading journey. Thank you for watching.